Hello, my name is Ruben Hock and welcome to Sahara Grill. We are the 4th edition in the hugely successful Sahara Grill brand. We have brought to you the Sahara Grill experience just for West London. As you can see from the decor of the restaurant, we have created an intimate but luxurious environment which helps the dining experience. At Sahara Grill, we are famous for our steaks, our lamb chops, our grilled chicken and our fish. We offer an extensive menu where we have dishes that suits everyone's needs and 100% certified halal. Our meat comes from the finest farms in Ireland and Wales, and we take great pride in our quality of food that we serve to all our customers. Many customers ask us, what do you put in your food? I'm so addicted to Sahara Grill. We always say to them that all our meat is marinated in our signature Sahara Grill spices, which gives it a unique taste which our customers love.
You know, this lamb chop, when you see on the plate, you see, you give a smile on the food. When you try, you go crazy. That's why I say, Sahara Grill, never slow. Never slow, you see?
We have one signature dish, which is our Sahara lamb chops, which is slaughtered at the month of 6 to make the meat succulent and tender. Our Sahara lamb chops have got soft and tender, marinated in our signature spices, which gives us a unique hot and spicy flavor. We have 5 in the portion, and it sits on a bed of glazed onions. The porterhouse steak is known as the king of the T-bone steak, with the large tender fillet on one side of the bone and the fabulous sirloin on the other side, marinated in our signature Sahara spices, which gives it its unique hot and spicy flavors. Oshin Delight grilled salmon fillet, lightly marinated and topped with creamy mushroom sauce. It's got served with Mediterranean salad and slices of baguette. Sahara wings, formerly known as the buffalo wings. Fried chicken wings dipped in a spicy and tangy sauce, accompanied with a sour cream and chive dip. The chicken wings are off skin, so you can have the wings joint, which then are cut in half. It's a portion of 4, which is cut in half to get 8 pieces. One of our party platters is the Sautee Combo. It's got strips of rump steak and strips of chicken steak cut in pieces with our peppers and onions cooked in our famous picante gravy, slightly spicy. Just remember, the picante gravy takes 4.5 hours of brewing before we serve. All our burgers are cooked on the grill. Mex burger, freshly made prime beef, which we've been highly recommended by our Michelin star consultant that we've had to put extra added fat in our beef burger to make it that juicy and more filling look to it too. Once individually hand pressed as well. Sahara XX burger. Wow, there's a reason why it's called XX. It's marinated in our signature Sahara spices, which gives it a unique hot and spicy flavor. Lightly marinated, which also puts spice in your burger. Sahara shrimps. Breaded shrimps, deep fried and coated in a creamy, sweet and spicy sauce. 8 pieces in a portion. As you can see, we've got a wide variety of drinks here that are non-alcoholic, and we provide mocktails, frappuccinos, fresh juices and soft drinks as well.
Make sure that you
Toffee pudding with custard. A lightly chocolate sponge topped with a rich toffee sauce and custard. Toffee apple crumble and custard. Individual portion of baked apple filled top and crunchy crumble with a rich apple sauce and custard. One of our favorite desserts, chocolate brownie with ice cream. Warm and Italian baked chocolate dessert topped with chocolate chips and a single scoop of ice cream covered with chocolate sauce. Lovely. A massive thank you to Feed the Lion. I hope you enjoyed the experience at Sahara Grill Hounslow, and we're looking forward to seeing you again.